How many places have you visited in Pakistan?
Me.
Yeah, you.
I fly on 21st. 9 days now. My first time.
Okay.
I fly to Islamabad. I fly to Skadu. And take a bus to Gilgit, to Hunza, to Fairy Meadows, and now down to Islamabad.
Okay.
To Takasila and Islamabad. Tonight I will fly to.
Okay. You like mountains, the high mountains, right? Mountains. You like mountains?
Yes, because
Okay.
Chiang Mai is only in the north in Thailand have a high
mountains.
area. Yes, but not high mountain in Thailand. Not the same high mountain in your country because about 1,000 above the sea is the highest, but
Maximum.
yours is about 40,000.
Yeah, exactly.
When I visit Fairy Meadows in the base, cannot breathe because my
Lungs are weak.
yes,
Yeah, okay.
yes. So high mountain in my country is only the peak is only 1,000.
Okay, the maximum people.
But the culture in Chiang Mai is very good. You can see. I'm sorry, I'm not Chiang Mai. We had a time doing this. Also, you Muslims, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But to visit, we have a Buddhist temple with the beautiful decoration, beautiful Buddha. You no need to respect.
Have you visited Sri Lanka recording as well? Sri Lanka?
No.
Okay. Have you any plan about it?
I will go to India for the place where the Buddhists birth, made the meditation and what do you call that? For places of the Buddhists to pay respect.
Okay. Have you visited already this place?
No, I have a problem. I ride the horse for 4 hours,
Okay.
so he stampede.
Okay, I'm just going to visit that. I will
Okay.
record the videos and I
Okay.
definitely show you.
Okay,
It
have a
will
nice
be
trip
here.
in Thailand. Hope you have a good trip.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
See you.
See you.